DepEd Vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders. DepEd mission: to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values: maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.
Mabuhay! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Madge. Welcome sa ating ETUlay, ang ating libreng online tutorial na hatid ng ating kagawaran ng edukasyon, ICTS EdTech. Ang programang ito ay inaasahang makatutulong at maging karagdagang kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral mula kinder hanggang senior high school, ALS, Alive, at SPED learners. Bukod sa pagsagot ng mga modules, ang ETUlay ay may mga special programs din na siguradong aabangan ninyo araw-araw. Katuwang ang ating mga minamahal na mga magulang at guro ay maitutulay natin ang pagkatuto. Kaya, ihanda na ang inyong module, lapis, papel o kwaderno. Ihanda rin ang isip, mata at tenga sa isa na namang makabuluhang aralin. Tayo nang matuto kasama ang inyong volunteer online tutor sa oras na ito.
Hello everyone! Isang amazing na hapon po sa inyong lahat. So, kamusta po ang ating mga learners, parents, and teachers? Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And welcome sa ating online ETUlay session natin grade 8 every 1:40 to 2:20 ng hapon. Of course, my name is Tutor Marky from SDO Bulacan. At syempre po, hindi man po natin kasama po ngayon, of course, si Tutor C po from SDO Tarlac Province. Ayan. So may inaasikaso lang po si Tutor C na mahalagang bagay. Kaya bali po natin makamamaya ay sumunod po or makapasok po sa ating online session si Tutor C. So mamaya abang-abang lang po natin. So of course, syempre ang ating pinaabangan po ng lahat ang ating shout out sa ating mga learners, parents, and teachers sa ating mga grade 8. So, syempre, dahil ako lang mag-isa ngayon, syempre dahil hindi gumagana yung timer kapag naglilipat tayo ng sling, gagamit po tayo ng timer. Ayan. So, happy viewing or good afternoon from Angel May Espilio from Partida National High School. Si Samantha Galman Fajardo from Santa Cruz National High School, Binacod Campus. Alright, si Lea De Vera from Ramon National High School. Hello din kay Ginger Alonso, kay Kathleya Soriano, kay Jessica Pascual from Ramon National High School. Alright, kay Jasmine Pearl Cabildo Usabal. Ayan, hello there. Kay Beverly Joyce Lungayan, hello there. Hello kay Stella Marislapus, kay Ayesa Agustin from RNHS. Ayan, hello there. Happy viewing kay Ray Ben Manuel. Ayan, so hello din po kay Kathleya Soriano. Okay, kay Ma'am Nina Natividad. Hello po, happy viewing kay Enika Aguilar Flores. Ayan, di ba? Multitasking tayo. Ayan, tumunog na po. So, ibig sabihin, time is up na. Alright, thank you very much. So syempre yung mga hindi namin hindi ko po mababanggit ang pangalan. Syempre comment lang po ng comment, and of course share po ang ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Okay. So alright po. So yan, so nakikita po flood comments po tayo this afternoon. Alright. So syempre, okay, moving on. So ito po ang statistics po natin last week ng ating quarter 3 week 6 last March 21, 2022. Ang grade 8 po ay may 1.1k views. And of course, sa ating via DepEd ETUlay group page, and of course, we have 34 views in our DepEd EdTech unit in YouTube. Ayan. So syempre, palakasin pa po natin at mas padamihin pa ang ating mga online learners na manunood sa ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Alright? So, dahil dyan, kasama po si Tutor C, we are now on our week 3, quarter 3, week 7. So, ang title ng ating episode or ating session for this afternoon is Periodic Trends. So kung nakakaraan ay pinag-uusapan na natin yung periodic table. So ngayon, mas hihimay-himayin pa natin yung mga iba't ibang parte o ano ba yung mga makikita natin sa periodic table. And of course, power sharing. So dito, okay, ang gamit ang hashtag periodic trends part 1. And of course, syempre, habang hinihintay po natin. So paki-share po ang ating online tutorial session this afternoon para mas madami pong mga kaklase nyo. Alam ko, yung iba sa atin ay face-to-face na, pero syempre yung iba sa inyo ay hindi po kami iniiwan kahit na yung iba ay meron ng face-to-face also, although ito ay half day lang. So syempre, para magkaroon din po sila ng review kung ano ba yung mga pinag-usapan ng face-to-face, syempre, pagdating sa bahay, pwede silang manood ng ETUlay online session. Alright, so yan, syempre power sharing po tayo. So magka-countdown lang ako, no? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so comment lang po sa ating comment section kung kayo po ay nakapag-share na ng aming online tutorial session. So pakisabi lang po or paki-comment lang po done. So para makita po or ma-assure ko po na i-share na po ang ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Share lang po Ayan. So waiting lang po tayo. So sa ngayon nakikita ko mga bate o so good afternoon. Ayan. So comment po ng Dan kung kayo po ay ayan. So Christian Alvaro, ayan, na-share na lang. Stella Matislapus, si Chloe Viernes, ayan, na-share na ang ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Of course, syempre, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating topic, so ito ang ating module na pinagkuhanan, ang Science 8, so quarter 3, module 8, periodic trends. So ito po ay galing po sa Schools Division of Bulacan. So we would like to say thank you to our development team of the module, the writers, the illustrators, and also the layout artists, and of course, the editors. All right, thank you very much po. So for our week 3, quarter 3, week 7, so ating most essential learning competency ay, first one is to write the electron configuration of an element. Second is to describe the periodic trends in atomic size, ionization energy, electron affinity, and electronegativity. And lastly, to explain the reasons for the periodic trend. So actually, learners grade 8, so dalawa ang topic nitong module na to. So we would like to divide it into two sessions. Yung first topic is about the electron configuration. And of course, next week, sa ating week 8, yung continuation ng module. Alright. So, next po. And of course, here are the gentle reminders na dapat po nating alalahanin. First one is to take the pre-test prepared at the beginning of the module. Second one is to take time in reading and understanding the lesson, and of course, follow instructions carefully. And our third reminder, use a clean sheet of paper for answers in each activity or assessment. O syempre, sa mga viewers natin, pwede mo kayong mag-comment or i-type directly sa ating comment section ang inyong answer. And of course, number 4 reminder is to try to recall and to connect the ideas that you had in your lower year. So number 5, be honest when doing the activities. Record only what you have really observed. So don't hesitate to ask if you need to clarify something. Approach or contact your teacher. Siyempre, nandiyan naman sila para gabayan kayo kung may mga tanong kayo or may hindi kayo na-gets. Siyempre, ipipm lang si teacher. Siyempre, dapat hindi busy si teacher. Okay? Number 7, reminder. Okay, take the pause test prepared at the end of the module. And lastly, you can check your answers in the activities, self-assessments, and post-test. Ayan. So, ang hirap pala na mag-isa kung daldal ka ng nandaldal. No? So, Tutor C, kung ito pa ay naririnig nyo, okay, na-experience ko na rin ang na-experience ko nung last time na wala po ako at di po ako naka-attend. Alright, so, ayan. Grade 8 learners, are you ready? Ayan, so dahil ako lang mag-isa, ready na ba kayo? Grade 8 learners, hinihintay ko ang comment. Ayan, so hello kay Lea De Vera. Ayan, nagbigay siya ng 4 na hearts. Ayan, as well si Jessica Pascual. Ayan. So comment lang po ng ready na po kami kung ready na ang lahat. So let's move on. So the first one is the what I know or yung pretest na binanggit ko kanina. So choose the direction is choose the letter of the correct answer and write your answers on a separate sheet of paper or just directly comment your answer on our comment section. All right? So since ready na ang lahat, ayan, may nakikita na ako. Ayan, thank you very much. So kay Cyrus, kay Chloe, kay Samantha, kay Ashley Joy Garcia, ayan, kay Daisy, kay Jasmine Batad. All right, so ready na. So now let's move on. So number 1 question. So what describes the arrangement of electrons outside the nucleus of an atom? Is it letter A, electron affinity, letter B, electron cloud, letter C, electron configuration, or letter D, electronegativity? All right, so habang hinihintay po ko ng answer, of course, syempre ang ating format, ayan, okay, number muna and then yung letter. Ayan, so meron dito si Alfredo Reliora. So ang answer niya is letter C. So Jessica Pascual, letter C. Justin Rosalayug, letter C. Then, alright, si Jessica Pascual, si Chloe Viernes, Christian Alvaro, letter C. Okay, Tambo, Donna, Jane. Alright, so hello there. Parang bago ang ating pangalan. Raven Manuel, hello there. Alright, so mostly ang sagot ng ating mga learners is letter C. So let's see. Alright, very good learners. The correct answer is letter C, electron configuration. Alright, so for our second question, so what describes the arrangement of electrons outside the nucleus of an atom? So is it letter A, number of electrons, letter B, number of energy levels occupied, letter C, number of sublevels, or letter D, number of valence electrons? Alright, so grade 8 learners and of course teachers sa ating mga nanonood, so at sa ating mga viewers, alright, we are now on number 2. So nakita ko dito sa ating comment section. Hello there kay Jamela Castro Osdanya. Her answer is letter A. Ayan. Alright. So, mostly makita ko dito mga number 1 pa. Ayan. So, we're now on number 2. Ayan. Trisha Goho Cruz. Her answer is letter A. Okay. Justin Rosalayog, letter A. Cyril Alcantara Benares. Christine. Alright. So, si Christine. Okay. Christine Gail Santos, letter A. Meryl Kate Pascual, letter A. Jerome Osdana, letter A. Alright, so the answer is for our question number 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Ayan. Next po, number 3. Okay, why does atomic radius decrease across a period? Is it letter A, due to decreasing nuclear charge? Letter B, due to decreasing shielding effect? Or letter C, due to increasing energy levels? Or letter D, due to increasing nuclear charge? All right. So for our question number 3, so ayan po, we are now on number 3. Of course, syempre dun sa mga nanonood po sa atin, share lang po ang ating online tutorial session para mas madami po ang makapakinig at makapanood ng ating topic for this afternoon. So, Ayan. So, meron dito, number 3, si Justin Rosalayog. Ang sagot niya is letter D. Ayan. So, hello po kay Ma'am Melinda Espino Manyo. Ayan daw. Hello po there. Kay Ma'am Jessica, ayan, si Jessica Pascual, letter D. Ginger Alonso, letter D. Okay, Katleya Soriano, ang sagot niya is letter A. Jamela with a question mark, letter C daw. So, Stella Maris Lapus, letter D. So, kumbaga sa number 3, iba-iba ng sagot. So, it's okay. Okay lang yan kapag, syempre, pretest lang naman. Pretest, nasa pretest pa naman tayo. Ang importante yung assessment mamaya. Alright, so for our question number 3, the answer is letter D, due to increasing nuclear charge. Ayan. So, very well, very good sa ating mga grade 8 learners. So, now, on our What's New. So, nung nakaraan, okay, nung kaming dalawa ni Tutor si nandito, alright? So, pinag-usapan or napag-aralan natin yung mga persons behind the creation of the periodic table. So, syempre, doon napag-usapan natin si Dmitry Mendeleev. So, siya yung nag-develop ng first periodic table. Syempre, he considered also the father of the modern periodic table. So meron din tayo si John Newlands. So he proposed the law of octaves. Another one is si Johann Dobereiner. So siya yung naggrupo ng mga elements depende dun sa similarities ng properties at yun ay yung tinawag niya na triads. And of course, lastly, si Henry Moseley. So he arranged the elements in order of our increasing atomic number. Alright. And of course, syempre, dun sa periodic table, nabanggit na rin natin na meron tayong tinatawag na 18 columns. Okay? 18 columns. So kung matatandaan nyo ba, ano ba yung 18 columns na yon? Ang tawag na 18 columns na yon ay yung mga groups or families. Yan, yung mga, ayan, 18 columns. So, yung mula dito, 1, 2, 3, hanggang dun sa HE, yun yung groups or families. And also, we have 7 horizontal rows, yung mga pahiga. Okay? So, ilan po yun yung tinatawag nating periods. So, meron tayong 7. 7 na periods in a periodic table. Ayan. So, yun yung natakil natin nung nakaraang linggo. So, ngayon, syempre, sabi ko nga kanina, based on our objectives na binigay ko kanina, we will be going to, to have an electron configuration. So, ano ba yung electron configuration na binabanggit ko dyan? So, it describes the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus of an atom in energy levels, sublevels, and orbital. So bakit ko ba binabanggit yung electron configuration? Kasi syempre, dito sa mabalikan lang natin yung periodic table of elements, sabi, it is arranged according to the increasing atomic number. Kung makita nyo, mag-starting siya kay hydrogen, which has the atomic number of 1, kay down to the last element with the increasing atomic number. And of course, yung atomic number na yan, it has an equal number of electrons, which can be described using the electron configuration. And if you're going to know the electron configuration of an element, you're going to use this particular formula or equation. Small letter N, L, and then it has exponent X. So N, L, and an exponent X. So, sir, ano po ba yung ibig sabihin yan, Tutor Marky? Ano po ba yung ibig sabihin ng N? Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng L? Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng X na nasa taas? So, ngayon, isa-isahin natin yung grade 8 learners. So, first is yung small letter N, it means the number of energy level. So mamaya, sir, ano po ba yung energy level? Ano po ba, Tutor Marky, yung energy level? Mamaya, babanggitin or mamaya, mababanggit natin kung ano ba yung energy level as we discuss deeply yung mga topic. So next, yung letter L, ang ibig sabihin naman dyan, yung sub-level. So letter X, yung exponent niya, yun yung number of electrons. So kung mamaya makikita kayo ng letter N, okay, normally yung number of energy level, it is in a number form. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 energy levels. Yung letter L or the sub-level, ito yung letter form. Okay? Letter form siya. S, P, D, and F. So yung X naman na to, yung number of electrons, ito ay in a number form also. Ayan ha. So ngayon, magbibigay tayo. So a mnemonic device can be used as a guide in writing electron configuration. Ano ba yung itsura nun, yung mnemonic device? Ayan. Yan yung mnemonic device. So kung makapansin nyo po, from 1S, 2S, 2P, and then aakyat ulit, 3S, and then bababa, 3P, and then akyat, 4S, bababa kay 3D, 4P, 5S, bababa kay 4D, 5P, 6S, and then baba dito kay 4F, 5D, 6P, 7S, 5F, 6D, 7P, and then 8S. So, in short, kung ito ay ilalatag natin lahat, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So, kanina, binanggit ko po yung mga formula, yung N, L, tsaka X. Ito yung nabanggit ko kanina, yung sa baba, ito yung mahabang form, ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod, itong mnemonic device net na binanggit or nakikita natin sa screen ngayon. So ngayon, yung letter N, sabi ko kanina, it is a number of electron or number of energy level. So pwede 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So hanggang 8 siya. The next one, yung letter L, ito yung ayan yung S, P, D, F. So yung yung S, P, D, F na yan, it has a maximum number of electrons na pwedeng mag-occupy dun sa isang orbital. So first one, sa S, meron tayong 2 electrons. Sa letter P, meron tayong 6 electrons. Maximum na po siya. Letter D, meron tayong 10 electrons. Letter F, we have 14 electrons. So lagi natin tatandaan yan, ito yung maximum number of electrons na pwedeng i-occupy nung S, P, D, and F. So sa S, 2, sa letter P, 6, letter D, 10, letter F, 14. Ayan. So, next po. Ayan. So, inakit ko na siya. So, ngayon, kung we're going to have an activity, so for example here, the element is phosphorus. Ayan. So the element of phosphorus. Ang sabi na nung mga nakakaraang episode po natin, nung element phosphorus, so ang sabi, ang atomic number ay equal sa number ng electrons at equal sa number ng proton. So dito, sa element phosphorus, paki-comment po, okay, kung ilan or ano ang atomic number ng phosphorus. Ayan. Given na po ang clue natin, atomic number is equal to number of electrons and also equal to the number of protons. Again, my question is, what is the atomic number of phosphorus? Ayan. So may nagsagot na po dito si Ma'am Melinda Espino Maño, have 15. Si Lorenzo DRG 15 din. Angel May Espilio 15. Alright, si Meryl K. Pascual 15. Alright, so ayan. So ayan, Antoinette Hernandez 15, Angel May Espilio 15, and the rest 15 ang answer. So from this, okay, again, the atomic number is equal to number of electrons and also equal to the number of protons. So, you are correct, grade 8ers. Thank you very much for helping me. So, ang atomic number ay yung makikita sa taas. Okay? So, kung ang atomic number ay 15, so ibig sabihin, ang total number of electrons niya ay 15 and also ang total number of protons ng phosphorus ay also 15. And so, from that, okay, you're going to get the electron configuration of the element phosphorus using the mnemonic device na pinisend ko po kanina. So, from that, okay, ayan, meron tayong 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Alright. So, sir, saan nyo, Tutor Marky, saan nyo po nakuha po to? At bakit hanggang 3p3 lang? So, itong nakuha po natin tong, ang tawag po dito is electron configuration of the element phosphorus. So, saan nyo po nakuha? Yan, nakuha po natin to, yung pattern po na to, dun sa pinisend ko kanina na mnemonic device. So, ito po yung nasa taas, yung naka-red na box. So, ito po yung kaninang pattern po natin kanina. So, ngayon, sir, bakit hindi po kayo nagsunod, hindi po nyo pinagpatuloy? Kasi grade 8 learners, kung binibilang natin yung number of electrons dun sa particular na element. So in case sa case po ni phosphorus ay meron siyang 15 na electron. So therefore, hanggang number 15 or hanggang hanggang 15 electrons lang tayo na pwede nating ilagay sa electron configuration. So from this, yung nakikita nyo pong number sa taas, yung 2, another 2, tapos may 6, and then 2, and then 3, yan po yung total number of electrons. So kapag in-add po natin yan, 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, we're going to have a total of 15 electrons. So ang tawag naman natin sa kanya is superscripts. Ayan, dahil nasa taas. Alright, so ito din binibilang natin, 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, it is equal to 15 electrons. Hanggang 15 lang tayo kasi ang atomic number ni phosphorus ay 15 at ito ay equal sa number of electrons and also na number of protons. So kapag naging 4 po to, halimbawa, yung huli nyo ay 3p4 ang nilagay nyo, nagkamali kayo 4, ibang element na po siya kasi malalagdagan tayo ng number ng electrons. Ayan. So, next. So, ayan. Ito yung kanina. Okay, nilipat ko lang. Okay. So dito, in case of this, so the element phosphorus, ito ay nahahati. Ayan. So, we have 1s2. Alright. We have 2s2 and 2p6. Okay. We also have 3s2 and 3p3. So, ano po yung mga yan? So, from that, ginroup natin siya kasi nakadepende naman po yun sa number of energy levels. So, ito yung particular na orbital model na tinatawag natin. So, yung unang half curve na to, we have 2 electrons. Yung second, we have 8 electrons. And yung third, we have 5 electrons. So, from this, ayan, 2, ito. Ayan. So from that, yun sa red na arrow, bakit 2? Kasi yung 1s2, yung superscript subscript niya is we have 2 electrons. However, itong 8, so we have 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So that is for the second energy level. And so for our last, we have 2 plus 3, we have 5. So we have 5 electrons on our third energy level. So, ngayon, we have 2, 8, and 5. Ito yung kanina. So, kung nakuha yung 5, 2 plus 3, naging 5 electrons. So, kada isang curve, 1 energy level, second energy level, and third energy level. So, from that, yung 5e, or yung ibig sabihin ng 5 electron, siya yung pinaka-last. That is what you call the valence electron. So, the valence electron, it is an electron in the outmost energy level or shell. Kasi grade 8 learners, ang tawag natin dun sa half curve na yan is energy level. So, hanggang ilan po ba ang energy level? We have 6 energy level. So, sa case ni phosphorus, hanggang third energy level lang siya kasi depende yun sa number of energy, electrons. Alright? So, next. Ayan. So, you have the first energy level, second energy level, and third energy level. So, we have here also the maximum number of electrons per energy level or shell number. So, we have in our energy level 1, we have 2, maximum of 2. Second energy level, we have the maximum of 8 electrons. On our third energy level, we have 18 electrons. In our fourth energy level, it has a maximum of 32 electrons. Sa energy level 5, it has a maximum of 50 electrons. Sa ating 6th energy level, we have maximum of 72 electrons. And also on our 7th energy level, we have the maximum of 98 electrons. So sa case po, again sa case ni phosphorus, hanggang third energy level lang siya. So another example, we have here the example, another element is the bromine. So the bromine, it has an atomic number of 35. So sabi nga natin kanina, ang atomic number is equal to number of electrons and also the number of protons. So in this case, okay, si bromine ay may 35. So kung 35 ang atomic number ni bromine, 35 din yung number of electrons niya. So kung kukunin natin yung electron configuration niya, we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. So ngayon, kung i-add natin yung 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 5, we will come up with 35 electrons. So if we're going to get its valence electron, so in our first energy level, we have 2 electrons, yung 1s2. Second energy level, we have 8 electrons because it is the maximum number of electrons in our second energy level. On our third energy level, we have 18 electrons because it is the maximum. And lastly, we have 7 electrons. All right. So, all in all, so we have 35. So the valence electron of this element bromine is 7 kasi siya yung huli. Okay, aside from huli, niless na natin yung maximum number of electrons sa fourth energy level. So the valence electron of element bromine is 7. All right. So here is the activity number 1. So complete the table. So here are the directions. Complete the table 1. Okay, and 2, so use the periodic table of elements to know the period and group of the given elements. Write the electron configuration of each element and analyze the electron configuration of elements that belongs to the same period and group. So, ayan. So, syempre, hindi ko na kayo pahihirapan pa. Ayan. So, nagtago na lang ako ng mga answer. So, ngayon, meron tayong 4 na columns dito. We have the first column, the symbol of the element. The second column is the electron configuration. Third column is the number of energy levels occupied. And the fourth column is the period. So from this activity, yung first element, which is hydrogen, okay, it has an atomic number of 1. So therefore, the electron configuration is 1s1. Okay? Bakit 1 po sir yung nasa taas? Kasi ang atomic number niya ay 1, so ang equal din to sa number of electrons, which is 1 din. So ang number of energy level niya occupied ay 1, and ang period niya ay 1. So pakatandaan po natin yung period, nasa periodic table natin siya. Ito yung nakikita na pahiga. Okay. We have 7 periods. So nasaan si hydrogen doon? So ito ay nasa period 1. Alright? So ngayon, in this case, we have A, B, C, D, E, F na nagtatago. So para mas madali, okay, ayan. So ano po ba ang electron configuration ng element, okay, ng element na He or helium. Okay, so let's wait for the comment. So ano ang electron configuration ng element helium? Okay. Ayan. So, let's wait. Ayan. Ayun. So, si Lorenzo, DRG. So, meron ang answer niya, 1s2. And of course, si Ma'am Melinda Espino Manyo, 1s2. Then, ang answer niya. Okay. Si Justin Racalayug, 1s2. Alright. Si Janelle Elaine Triñanes. Ayan. 1s2. Trisha Goho Cruz, 1s2. Jessica Pascual. Okay, so Sir Mark Lester, 1s2 din. Alfredo Reliora, 1s2. So let's see. Okay, so for our letter A, the answer is 1s2. Very good. So from the element helium, we already identify its electron configuration. Now, how many or what will be the number of energy levels occupied in the element helium? Okay, letter B na tayo. Letter B na. Okay, letter B. Let's wait for the answer. Ayan, letter B. Ayan, sabi ni Janelle Elaine Trillanes, 1 ang answer niya. Okay, let's wait for the others. Sabi ni Christopher Andrew Espicio, 2 naman ang answer niya. Okay, si Jessica Pascual, 1. Kay Samantha Galman Fajardo, 2. Alright, Cyril Alcantara Benyares, 2 ang answer niya. Jessica Pascual, letter B, 1. So here, the answer is 1. Alright, so how about the period? Ayan, sa period tayo. Okay, so letter C na tayo. Saang period matatagpuan si element helium? We are now on our letter C. Okay, in our table, letter C. Okay, saang period matatagpuan si helium? Ayan, si Lorenzo DRG, his answer is 1. It is in the first period. Si Jasmine Batad, 1 din ang answer niya. Si Justin Rosal Layug, 1 din ang answer niya. Alright. Okay, Trisha Goho Cruz, 1. Si Mark Lester, 1 ang answer niya. So, let's see. Okay, HE is included or part of the period 1. Ayan, very good. Very good learner. So, let's see. Nakakatawa naman. So, our third element, which is the lithium. So, lithium has an element symbol Li and it has an atomic number of 3. So, therefore, if we're going to get the electron configuration of the element lithium, we have 1s2, 2s1. So, yung super subscript niya, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, kaya hanggang 1 lang siya. Okay, 1s2, 2s1. So now, on our letter D question, okay, what is the total number of energy levels occupied in the element lithium? Alright, so we're now on our letter D. So from Ma'am Nanitan Martin Tolentino, her answer is 2. Ayan, so si Ray Ben Manuel, 2 din ang answer niya. Si Justine, hindi ko na nakita, tumaas na. Alright, si Lorenzo DRG, 2 ang answer. Josephine Cleofas, 2 din. Alright, Katlea Soriano, 2 din ang answer niya. Si Samantha Galman Fajardo, 2 din ang answer. Ayan, so majority of our viewers or our learners, especially, of course, syempre teachers, ang answer nila ay 2. So let's reveal now the correct answer. The answer, the total number of energy levels occupied with the element lithium is 2. Ayan, very good. Now, on our last element, which is Be, okay, we have the atomic symbol, we have Be, ayan, atomic element symbol, Be. Atomic number 4, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2. So, yung subscript niya, super subscript niya, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which is the atomic number and the total element, number of electrons of the element Be. So now, what is the total number of energy levels occupied on that element? We have, ayan, so nakita ko na, letter E is number, ayan, 2 daw ang answer nila. Samantha, ayan, Cyril Alcantara Benares, 2. Ayan, Christian Alvaro, 2. Eliza Nicole Sawal, 2. Jessica Pascual, 2. Jasmine Batad, 2. Angel May Spilio, 2 din ang answer niya. So now, let's reveal the answer. Alright, 2. And of course, for the period, ayan, we are now on letter F. Okay. Letter F na tayo. So, saang period matatagpuan yung may atomic atomic number na element na 4? Ayan. Letter F na tayo. Letter F. Ayan, si Trisha Goho Cruz, 2 daw ang answer niya. Lorenzo DRG, 2. Alright. We are now on question letter F. Alright. Si Christian Alvaro, 2. Okay. Justin Rosalayog, 2 din. Okay. Okay. Janelle Elaine Trinanes, 2. So now let's reveal the answer. The period of the element Be is 2. Ayan. So kung makikita niyo po dito, kung mapapansin natin grade 8 learners, kung ano yung number of energy levels occupied ng isang element, it is also the same number or nung period na kung saan belong yung isang particular na element. So like yan, kumbaga may pattern na tayo, no? Kung ano yung number of energy level, 1 siya, yun din yung period niya. So mamaya, madi-discuss mo natin yan. Ayan. So ito yung babalikan lang ng periodic table. Di ba ang period natin ito, yung pahiga. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ayan. Ibig sabihin, yun din yung number of energy levels sa matatagpuan. So ngayon, kung ayan si magnesium, ayan, 12 mg. So ang period niya ay 3. So ang energy level niya, yung total number of energy level na pwedeng mag-occupy doon sa element na yon is also 3. Ayan. So we also have, again, to just a review. So we have 7 period, ayan, yung 7 kanina. And also we have 8, okay, 18 families or groups. Alright. 18. So dito lang, nag-groupings lang siya A and B. Sa transition kasi B ang answer, ang groupings noon. And also we have the blocks, again, the S block, the D block, the P block, and the F block. Ito yung S, P, D, F kanina sa electron configuration na binabanggit natin kanina. Which is mamaya, matuturuan tayo kung paano ba mas madaling makuha yung electron configuration ng isang element using our periodic table. So matandaan lang yung group 1 and 2, they are the S group, S block. Okay, we have here the P block. Ayan. So we have the D block, yung mga transition elements, and F block yung nasa ilalim. So ayan, the S, P, D, and F. So ayan. So ayan o. Kung tingnan natin dito, ayan, so dito yung element kanina, ito ay si element BE. Ayan, yun dito. So kung kunin natin yung electron configuration niya, okay, we have 1s2, 1s1, okay, 1s1, 1s2, ayan, 2s2. So nandito siya. Alright. So, yeah. So what I have learned, so the directions, check your understanding of this lesson by filling in the blanks with the appropriate terms and choose your answer from the words in the box below. So we have electrons, nucleus, nuclear charge, shielding effect, periodic trends, valence electrons, increases, decreases, and NLX. So from our first question, electron configuration describes the distribution of electrons outside the blank in energy levels, sublevels, and orbitals. So from this, what is our answer? Okay, thank you very much. Still watching, Jessica Pascual. Okay, we have also Luke Fernandez. Okay, ano kaya yung answer dito sa number 1? Ayan o, may pagpipilian na. So electron configuration describes the distribution of electrons outside the blank in the energy levels. Outside ng alin? Kung makita yun, di ba, yung may bilog kanina. Okay. Alin kaya dito? Okay, number 1, outside the blank. It is part of an atom. Okay, clue, it is part of an atom considered as it is the central part of an atom. Ayan, we have here Lorenzo DRG, number 1 is nucleus. Ang answer niya. Sabi naman ni Janelle Kabilin, shielding effect. Sabi ni Christine Gail Santos, nucleus. Katlea Soriano, nucleus. Justin Rosal Layog, nucleus. And Christopher Andrew Espicio, nucleus. Alright, so let's see. Okay, number 1, the answer is nucleus. Ayan, very good. So for our second question, second statement, it is written in the form blank, where N is the number of energy level, L is the sub-level. Okay, ano kaya yung formula dito na binabanggit? Written form. Okay, we are now on our number 2 question or 2 statement, second statement. Ayan. So nakikita ko pa yung answer dito ay number 1. So ayan, nakita ko si Lorenzo DRG, NLX, okay, NLX, Jamela Castros Dalia, Alfredo Reliora, NLX, Lovey G. Season, NLX. Ayan, Christian Alvaro, NLX also. And the answer is N, L, and X. Yung X, okay, yun yung super subscript. Okay, for our third statement, X is the number of. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng X dun sa N, L, X? Ayan. So, siguro marami na ditong grade 8 yung makakakuha mamaya ng idea. So, ano ang ibig sabihin ng X? Ayan. Number of blank siya. Okay. Yung X mo ay ano? Ayan. So we have here, okay, sabi ni Lorenzo DRG, ayan, very ano siya, very active si Lorenzo. Electron. Si Mami Linda Manyo, electron din ang answer niya. Okay, si Sela Marislapus, electrons. Alright, Justine Rosalayog, electrons. Si Ma'am, ayan, Jonaline Viernes, electrons din. So let's see, let's reveal now the answer. Alright, very good, electrons. And for our last statement, electrons in the outmost energy levels which determine the chemical activity of the atoms are called blank. Alright, so for our last statement on what I have learned. So what is this? Okay. The outmost energy level. Ito yung sa dulo kanina. Ano yon? Yung sa dulo. Okay. Kapag kinuha natin yung orbital diagram, okay, that is the outmost energy level. Alright. So sabi ni Lorenzo DRG, it is the valence electron. Alright. So ni Lorenzo, ayan, si Ray Kumbas, si Mamilinda Manyo, ayan, valence electron din. Si Luke David Fernandez, okay, sabi naman yung nuclear charge. Okay, Ray Humbas, valence electron. Alright, so let's reveal now on our, what I have learned. Statement number 4, the answer is valence electron. Alright, so now, we are now on our assessment. We only have 3, so the direction is choose the letter of the correct answer and write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Or just comment directly in our comment section. And our first one is, what is the maximum number of electrons in the D sub-level? D sub-level. Is it letter A, 2, letter B, 6, letter C, 8, or letter D, 10? Ayan. Maximum number of electrons in the D sub-level. I repeat, D sub-level. Alright, so comment your answer on our assessment question number 1. Ayan. Okay, Janelle Cabilin, her answer is letter D. Justine Rosalayog, 10 po. Okay, Ray Humbas, 10. Okay, ayan. Hazel Denise Velayo, letter D. Christian Alvaro, letter D. Jasmine Barad, letter D. Cyrus Mahmoud Reyes, letter D. So let's reveal the correct answer. All right, letter D. Very good. Okay, our second assessment. Ayan, may mga electron configuration na tayo. What is the correct electron configuration for the element Cl? So, element Cl is chlorine. So, it has an atomic number of 17. So, now, from this, so what is the correct electron configuration of the element Cl? We are now on our question number 2. So sabi natin, kapag ang atomic number equal siya sa number of electrons. So, yun yung X kanina sa equation natin ng NLX. Alright? And our number 2, so we have yung unang nag-comment po dito si Lorenzo DRG, letter B ang answer niya. Okay, Jamela Castro, letter A naman ang answer. Okay, Luke, letter A ang answer. Justine Rosalayog, letter B ang answer niya. Lovey G. Season, letter B. Alright, so Melinda Espino Mayo, letter B. Jessica Pascual, letter A ang answer. Alright, so ayan, si Sir Mark Lester, letter B ang answer. Stella Marislapos, letter B. So the correct answer here is letter B. Ayan. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p5. Ayan. So for our last question in our assessment, based on the electronic configuration of element 13 or aluminum, it has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p1. How many valence electrons does it have? Is it letter A, 1, letter B, 2, letter C, 3, or letter D, 4? Ayan. So we are asking to compute or to identify the total number of how many valence electrons do we have on the element aluminum, which has a 13 atomic number. All right, we are now on number 3. So Lorenzo DRG, here, his answer is letter C. Okay, Ma'am Melinda Espino Manyo, letter C. Okay, Stella Maris Lapus, letter C. Justin Rosalayo, letter C. Okay, Jessica Pascual, letter C also. Cyrus Mahmoud Reyes, letter C. All right, Stella Maris Lapus, letter C. Ayan, very well said. So the correct answer on our assessment question number 3 is letter C. Ayan. Ayan. So paki-comment nga po, grade 8 learners ang inyong score based on ating assessment. Ayan. Paki-comment lang. So 3/3 ba? 2/3 ba? Or 1/3? Alright. Ayan. Si Ma'am Ninita Martin Tolentino. Hello po from Ramon National High School. So I'm still waiting for the result of your assessment. No? Ayan. So meron tayong 3/3. Yan. Very good. Ayan. Very good. Okay. Alright, so for our side task for the week, okay, complete the following. Okay, identify the element's name, atomic number, number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron, electron configuration, valence number, the period, the group, and the block of this element. K, ayan, so ang element K na yan, malapit sa puso ko yan yung mga K, ang element K na yan. Ano? Okay, itaas sa, ayan, K, may 19 sa taas. Okay, so, yan, of course, syempre, paki-print screen na to, o screenshot na ating site task for the week. So, ayan na yung letter A hanggang letter J ang inyong hahanapin. And of course, syempre, paki-upload sa inyong social media. And of course, using the hashtag periodic trends part 1, ETUlay Science 8 and hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Ayan, screenshot na po ang ating site task for the week. Ayan, thank you very much. 54321, 54321. Ayan, screenshot na po ang site task. Ayan, thank you very much. And of course, okay, ito lang ating congratulations sa ating mga mahuhusay cuties of the week 6. Okay, first one is si Lea De Vera from Ramon National High School, Division of Isabela, Region Cagayan Valley. Ayan, congratulations. And also si Angel May Espilio na kanina ko pa nakikita yung kanyang comment. Okay, from Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan, Region 3 Central Luzon. Ayan, congratulations. And for all Faster Thinker Cutie of the Week for our week 6, okay, Mariel Kyle Lustre Ramos from Santa Lucia National High School, SDO Bulacan, Region 3 Central Luzon. Congratulations. And also we have Janela Ashley Belingon from San Mariano National High School, SDO Isabela, Region Cagayan Valley. All right. And also we have the Scientastic Cutie of the Week from week 6. Ayan. Ayan, so bagong-bago to, si Luke David Cabigting Fernandez. And although nakikita ko na rin yung comment niya kanina, from 8 Nara, from Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon, na kanyang science teacher is Ma'am Mary Ann Jimenez. Yung Partida National High School, consistent nating viewers yan sa ating ETUlay grade 8, no? So ayan, si another one, Scientastic Cutie of week 6, si Hazel Denise Velayo, from 8 Nara, siguro kaklase niya to, si Ma'am from Partida National High School, SDO Bulacan, Central Luzon, and also si Ma'am Mary Ann Jimenez ang kanyang science teacher. And of course, sa ating mahusay schools of the week 6, ayan, nadagdagan lang po tayo ng Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School from Gragay, Camarines Sur. And of course, thank you very much also sa Partida National High School, Santa Lucia National High School, Ramon National High School, Ingod Ramona Integrated School, Ocampo National High School, Santa Cruz National High School, Pulong Buhangin National High School, and San Mariano High School sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating ETUlay session. Alright. So, ayan. So, in behalf of Tutor C from SDO Tarlac Province, I am Tutor Marky from SDO Bulacan. Next po si Tutor Vandong from SDO Malabon and Tutor Kevin from SDO Calamba City. Ayan. So dahil ako lang mag-isa, ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay, ako na ang mag-outro. Ayan. So do not forget, grade 8 learners, no, share ang ating online tutorial session this afternoon. Again, this is Tutor Marky from SDO Bulacan saying sa agham, ikaw ang bida. Class dismiss. Thank you.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!